Although we cannot stop pollution altogether, the Australian government has some management plans and laws that help us control the situation within our country. The air quality in Australia, by world standards, is classified as very clean. The Australian government's way of being proactive is enforcing the National Clean Air Agreement. This agreement focuses on actions to reduce pollution and improve air quality through cooperative action between industry and government at the national, state and local level. The next step for this agreement is a non-road spark ignition engine and equipment such as marine engines and gardening equipment, as these don't have the same advanced emission controls found on on-road engines. Australia's water pollution affects all living things within our ocean. Marine litter is known as marine debris, which is defined as any persistent, manufactured or processed solid material which is discarded, disposed of, or abandoned in the marine and coastal environment. These things include plastic bags, fishing nets, or plastic bottles. Even though we cannot stop these things from travelling to the ocean, the government have a threat abatement plan which involves coordinated abatement strategies identified in separate marine animal recovery plans such as the Grey Nurse Recovery Plan. They also examine the effectiveness of joint agreements with other nations to address the issues of marine debris and its impact on the wildlife and assess for the needs of new ones. Some of the government's other proactivity involves their hazardous waste permits that is needed if you want to export or import any hazardous waste within Australia. Another thing is used oil recycling, as it only takes 1 litre of oil to contaminate 1 million litres of water, so we are advised not to put any oil into our drains. The government also provides the community and industry with a free information about substance emission in Australia with a national pollutant inventory. Despite the Australian government having all these management plans, the Australian citizens still feel like more should be done and could be done to help control the situation of pollution within Australia.